ಎಸ್, ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದೇ ಏರಿಯಾ ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಎಲಿಪ್ಸ್. ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಕೇಳುವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ x square plus y square is equal to a square by the method of integration. Okay, and hence find the area enclosed by x square plus y square equal to 4. This is the equation of the circle, which means we have to find out the area enclosed by this circle using the area enclosed by the equation of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಒನ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಎಟ್ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ whose radius is a unit. Okay, here there are 4 equal parts. You have to find out area enclosed by the circle, that is same as 4 times of shaded area, right? Now consider one small strips with respect to x-axis. So this is a circle centered at origin. So center is origin, radius is a. So area equal to 4 times integration from what to where 0 to strips ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ 0 to a, right? So 0 to a with respect to x-axis. So y dx, correct, right? Now we have to find out what is y in terms of x. So x square plus y square equal to a square is the equation of the circle. Y square is equal to a square minus x square. Y is equal to plus or minus root of a square minus x square. So ignore the negative sign, consider the positive value, that is a square minus x square. Substitute here 4 times integration from 0 to a. What is y? Square root of a square minus x square with respect to x, that is dx. Now integrate it. ಇದೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೀವು ಬಯಾಟ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಎ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವ್ಯಾರ್ ಟು ವ್ಯಾರ್ 0 to a. ಇದೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬಯಾಟ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Which is equal to, apply the limit. So 0 to a, upper limit is a. Apply the upper limit first. So if you substitute x is equal to a in here, then it is a square minus a square 0. Complete, this is 0 plus a square by 2 sin inverse of a by a, that is 1, minus lower limit 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ apply ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 0 into some term, that is 0 minus a square by 2 sin inverse of 0 by a, that is 0, right? Which is equal to 4 times a square by 2 sin inverse 1, that is sin ಎಷ್ಟು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಬಂದು ಬರ್ತದೆ 90 degree in terms of radian, that is pi by 2 minus 0 minus a square by 2 sin inverse 0, that is 0 ಆಗಿ ಹೋಯಿತು. So 2 2s are 4, this 4 cancel. So it is pi a square unit is the area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, right? Next sub question is, find the area enclosed by x square plus y square is equal to 4, correct, right? So here a square is 4. And hence means using this equation we have to find the equation of the circle enclosed by x square plus y square equal to 4. So here a square is 4. So area equal to pi a square. Pi a square is 4. So the answer is 4 pi square unit is the answer. Second question. Find the area enclosed by x square plus y square equal to 9. using the method of integration. Particular case of area enclosed by x square plus y square equal to a square. Okay. Now consider a circle centered at origin whose radius is 9. A square 9 means a is 3. So this point is 3 comma 0. This is O. Correct, right? Now we have to find out the area 4 times of this area. So consider a small strips with respect to x-axis. So area equal to 4 times integration from where to where? 0 to 3. Right? 0 to 3 y with respect to x. That is dx. Now x square plus y square equal to 9. Y square is equal to 9 minus x square. Y is equal to root of 9 minus x square. So 4 times integration from 0 to 3. Y is square root of 9 minus x square into dx. Correct, right? Now 4 times ಇದು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆಯಿತು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಬರೀರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 9 ಎ ಇಸ್ 3 ಸೊ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ minus x square plus a square by 2 means 9 by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. A is here, a square is 9, so a is 3, right? So from where to where? 0 to 3. Apply the limit 4 times. Apply the limit x 3 here, 3 square 9 cancelled 0 plus 9 by 2. Correct, right? Sin inverse of x by 3. X is here 3 by 3 1 minus lower limit. Apply the lower limit. X is 0 ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ complete ಇದು 0 ಆಯಿತು minus 9 by 2 sin inverse of 0 by 3 that is 0 equal to 4 times 9 by 2 sin inverse 1 is pi by 2 9 by 2 sin inverse 0 is 0 so cancel 4 cancelled and final answer is 9 pi square unit. Correct, right? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಈಸ್ pi a square or pi r square. Radius is 9, so 9 pi is the answer. So this answer is correct. Next question. Find the area bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. And hence find the area enclosed by x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. This is also equation of the ellipse. By using the equation of the ellipse, find the find the area enclosed by the ellipse x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. Okay, first we have to find out the area enclosed by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. It may be horizontal ellipse or vertical ellipse ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು because area enclosed by vertical ellipse or horizontal ellipse in both the case that is same. So ನೀವು ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Now I draw horizontal ellipse. So this area is same as 4 times of this area, correct, right? So centered is at origin. Length of the major axis that is 2a and this portion is a. So this part is 0, this point is a comma 0. Consider the small strips with respect to x-axis, right? So area equal to same as circle. Here area equal to 4 times integration from where to where? 0 to a. 0 to a y dx. With respect to x-axis ಗೆ ನಾನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ equal to 4 times 0 to a, find out y. So x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is the equation of the ellipse. Rearrange the term, ನಮಗೆ y ಬೇಕು. So y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. Take the LCM. So a square minus x square divided by a square. Y square is equal to b square divided by a square into a square minus x square. Correct? Y is equal to square root of this term ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ b square by a square square root ತೆಗಿತೀರಾ b by a into square root of a square minus x square. This is a simplification, right? Substitute here y is b by a into root of a square minus x square with respect to x, that is dx, which is equal to 4 times b by a. Correct? Now what is the integration of root of a square minus x square? That is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. Circle ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. 0 to a, 0 to a. Apply the limit 4 times b by a. Apply the upper limit. a ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ 0 ಆಯಿತು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ a square by 2 sin inverse of a by a, that is 1, minus lower limit, put x is equal to 0 here, this complete term is 0, minus a square by 2 sin inverse of 0 equal to 4b by a. Correct, right? A square by 2 sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. Sin inverse 0 is 0. 2 2s are 4, cancelled. A 1a cancelled. So the final answer is pi ab square unit. Right? Area enclosed by vertical ellipse or horizontal ellipse. In both the cases, the answer is pi ab, students. Okay? Pi ab. Now comes to the sub question. Area enclosed by the ellipse x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. This is actually vertical ellipse, right? This is a horizontal ellipse. Since here denominator of x square is less than denominator of y square, so this is vertical ellipse. But in both the cases, the area enclosed by the ellipse is same. That's why what is a here? A is 2, a square 4, so a is 2, b is 3. ಅದು ಆಚೆಗಾದರೂ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪೈ ಎ ಬಿ, ಪೈ ಎ, what is a is 2, b is 3. 3 2s are 6 by square unit is the answer. Square units. Right. Next 5-mark question. Find the area enclosed by ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1 by using integration. Right? Now this here 16 and 9. So this is the equation of horizontal ellipse. Right? So we have to find out area enclosed by the ellipse, that is same as 4 times of this area. So consider a small strips with respect to x-axis. Centered at origin. So length of the major axis is here 2a. What is a? A square is 16. So a is, what is a? A is 4. So 4, 0 is this point. Correct, right? So area equal to 4 times integration from 0 to 4 y dx equal to 4 times integration from 0 to 4. Find out y. X square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. Y square by 9 equal to 1 minus x square by 16. Take the LCM. 16 minus x square divided by 16. So y square is equal to, cross multiply, 9 by 16 into 16 minus x square. So y is equal to square root of this one. Square root of 9 is 3 divided by 4 into root of 16 minus x square, right? Substitute here square root of 16 minus x square into 3 by 4. 3 by 4 dx. Correct, right? 4, 4 get cancelled, which is equal to 3 times integration of square root of 16 minus x square 0 to 4, right? Integration of root of a square minus x square is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. Same formula apply here. X by 2 into root of a square minus x square. A square is 16 plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a square 16, so a is 4, 0 to 4, right? Which is equal to 3 times, apply the limit. If you apply 4 here, upper limit, 4 square 16, 16 minus 16, 0, 0 into any number, that is 0. Plus 16 by 2, that is 8, right? Sine inverse of x 4 by 4, that is 1, minus, apply the lower limit, 0 into any number, that is 0, minus 8 into sine inverse of 0 by 4, that is 0. Simplify it 3 times. 8 into sine inverse 1, that is pi by 2. Sine inverse 0 is 0. 2 ones are 2, 4s are 8. Correct, right? Final answer is 4 3s are 12 pi square unit is the answer. 12 pi square unit. Correct ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Area enclosed by the circle ellipse is pi AB. Here A is 4, B is 3. 3 into 4 or 4 into 3, 12 pi is the answer. So this answer is correct. Thank you.